Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a double underline in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let's say we are going to go ahead and have a signature line perhaps or whatever, it does not really matter to me, and you want to double underline something for emphasis. You can type anything in here and just highlight over it. Select the home tab and then underneath the font name, go ahead and select the underline button but select the little arrow next to it. So you see a little drop down arrow comes up. So what the second item in here, it says double underline. Go ahead and select that, and there you go guys, simple as that. So pretty straightforward process. Do possible help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.